They meld the slimline design of a conventional wrench with the convenience of a ratchet and socket to create a highly versatile hand tool. There are many products available to choose ratcheting wrench set, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best ratcheting wrench set from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Amazon Basics Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. It's hard to beat these Amazon Basics ratcheting combination wrenches for value. At just about $20, it includes 7 individual combo wrenches and a convenient carrying case. For that ever so modest outlay, it provides 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 17mm wrenches. For added convenience, the ratcheting mechanisms feature a 72-tooth design, so they click even in the tightest of spaces where you don't have much room to swing the handle, situations where ratcheting wrenches shine. This box end wrench set is made of chrome vanadium steel for long-haul durability, but if something does go awry, these wrenches are backed by a 1-year warranty. For the casual mechanic or even around-the-house repairs, this set of ratcheting wrenches is ideal. Number 2. TOOLGUARDS Ratcheting Wrench Set 33 PCS Ratcheting Wrench Set. If you want to keep some ratcheting wrenches in your trunk, boat, RV, or other place where space is at a premium, you need a set that's compact. Well, this ToolGuard's 33-piece SAE wrench set fits the bill. Not only does it come with 15 imperial and 18 metric size wrenches, it also includes a nifty tool pouch that keeps the whole kit and caboodle organized and easy to carry. As for sizes, you get basically everything between 0.25 and 1 inch, and then everything from 6mm to 24mm, except for a 23mm ratcheting wrench. Why that's missing is anyone's guess. Other benefits of these ratcheting wrenches include vanadium steel construction for durability, a lifetime warranty, and each tool is treated to a fetching, mirror-like finish. Their slimline heads also help you access super tight spaces where a standard wrench wouldn't be ideal. Number 3. RIMKOLO 24-piece ratchet wrenches chrome vanadium steel ratcheting wrench set. Like other examples included on this list, these wrenches feature 72-tooth drive mechanisms for added usability in tight spaces. Fashioned of glimmering chrome vanadium steel, these ratcheting wrenches claim to be rust-proof and impervious to water. Chrome vanadium steel, best steel on the market. Why are we different? Because we have the slimmest profile on the market, so you can reach those tight spaces in engine blocks or behind water heaters. The 72-tooth ratchet gears need only a 5-degree working swing arc. Full drive box ends deliver reliable torque to tighten or loosen any bolt without rounding. Comes packed in 2-tool roll organizer for easy and quick access. Number 4. GARWRENCH 10PC, 12PT, Stubby Flex Head Ratcheting Combination Wrench Set. Okay, if you've got to reach fasteners like a bolt or flare nut in a really tight place, like super snug quarters, this is the set of ratcheting wrenches you need. These wrenches have a stubby design, so you can rotate them without needing miles of space. They also feature flexible heads so you can access nuts and bolts at all kinds of angles. Seriously, how cool is that? Manufactured by Gearinch, a top-quality brand, this set comes with 10 metric wrenches running from 10 to 19mm. Off-corner loading helps keep you from rounding off nuts or bolts, and the 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism requires just 5 degrees of rotation to click, so you only have to move the handle a minimal amount to get work done. Number 5. SK Tools USA, LLC, 80019, Ratcheting Wrenches. This set of ratcheting wrenches for SK Tools is as gorgeous as it is functional. With an X-frame design for added strength, these ratcheting wrenches are super durable and treated to a lustrous chrome finish. But there's brawn beneath that beauty. Inside, they feature an innovative 6-pawl drive mechanism that should be strong enough to handle more torque than competing 1-pawl systems. Not only that, this design features 216 engagement points, which means the ratcheting assembly clicks with just 1.7 degrees of handle swing, the lowest in the industry. This tool set includes 12 ratcheting wrenches from 8 to 19mm. These ratcheting wrenches are made in the USA from American steel and come with a lifetime warranty. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.